So in this video, we're machining the Titan 1M from his online video series, and you can see we're using the 3-inch shell mill right here, and we're just using his feeds and speeds as recommended. This is on a Haas DM1 mill. So this first cut is just a simple pass. Also, I've got rapids down at 5%, so it's going to come down quite slow. I think I also paused it to see that did it go down to the right Z height, and now I allowed it to progress and it's doing the first cut. Then you'll see the tool change to the 3/8 inch cutter, and that will do what's called 3D adaptive, I believe, and it's going to rough out the outside and then rough out the inside. It'll leave 10 thousandths on each surface, which will take off with subsequent contouring on the outside, and also 2D 2D profile on the inside. But what you'll see is we run into an issue where when we go to the 2D contour after the 3D adaptive is done. Again, right there in that image, I just turn the coolant off just to see if it looks like it's at the right Z level above the vise, and then I turn the coolant back on. So what you'll see is in the programming, Titan has wear turned on, and that gave us some issue where it said diameter too large. So I'm going to have to figure out how wear is factored into the Haas. So I think it's a G41 or G42 or G43 that does wear, but when we did that, we got the error about tool too large. So we changed the program to say in computer, and we reposted it, and then we were able to cut the contour on the outside and finish the part. So anything that had wear in his program video series, we changed it to in computer. But again, if anybody has any ideas on what we should change, now we are using the tool probe system in our Haas to do the the tool measurements. It measures the diameter of the tool. It does our work coordinates. So maybe that number that comes into the machine, there's something to the right of it which was another diameter. Maybe we're supposed to put the actual program diameter in there. I'm not sure, but if anybody knows, let us know, please. Alright, enjoy the video. It ends with us looking at the part. It's not complete. It just aired out at the contour phase, but then we subsequently were successfully able to machine the rest of the part.